You need to hear this if you're a minimalist. The Soyes XS16 is here to simplify your life. This tiny titan is no bigger than a credit card. With a display size of just 2-3 inches, it's perfect for those who want a phone without the bulk. Don't let its size fool you. It runs a lightweight version of Android, making it ideal for light usage. Texting, calling and browsing, check, check and check. Worried about storage? The XS16 comes with limited internal storage, but don't fret, you can expand it with a microSD card. Its battery is small, just like the phone, but it's more than enough to keep you connected throughout the day. Plus, the basic camera is perfect for those casual snaps. Whether you're a minimalist, need a backup phone, or want something lightweight for the kids, the Soyes XS16 is your go-to gadget. Tiny but mighty, the Soyes XS16 proves that good things do come in small packages.